Hello, Mike is here. In this video, I want to show you on how to group calculated measures in Power BI. Grouping measures can help us better organize our data and simplify our analysis. To get started, open our sample Power BI report. In right-hand side, the data field and the table panel, we see a long list of calculated measures. They have a different calculations purpose, such as calculations for KPI values, for ranking, for value selections, and for dynamic title labeling, etc. We may put same purpose measures together in a same group. Let's go to Model View and first find all measures for KPI calculations with clicking Ctrl plus selection or Shift plus selection. Then in the beside expanded properties panel, find the display folder, name folder as KPI measures. Repeat the same steps to get all measures for ranking calculations together into a bracket and name it as ranking measures. Bracket all measures for value selection into the group value selection measures. Get all measures for label measures together into the group title labeling measures. We can also add and remove measures by just dragging and dropping the measures to include it into or exclude it out from these groups. If we want to delete a measure group, we may just drag and drop out all the measures under that measure group, or by clicking the Shift or the Ctrl to select all measures on that group, then in Display folder of the Properties panel to clear the group name. Once we have created a measure group, we can use it in our visualization and calculation just like any other measure. With grouped measures, we can simplify our analysis and make our report more effectively. That is it from this video. In next coming video, I want to show you on how to work with dynamic ranking calculations in DAX that updates our top account and customer sales dashboard based on user selection and filters. By Power BI usage data and my knowledge, this how-to question and business scenario is one of the top advanced Power BI DAX questions most often asked and faced by Power BI report developers. Hope that video will bring some help for your report. Thanks for watching. If you like to watch more video from my channel, please press subscribe button. See you in next video.